In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Trivago. We'll walk through the process on an Android phone using the Google Play Store, and I'll share a few simple tips so you know you're getting the official app and can start searching for great hotel options right away. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is the official app marketplace on Android and the safest place to install trusted apps. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top and type Trivago. You'll see several results, so look for the official listing named Trivago. Compare hotel prices by Trivago. To make sure you've got the right one, check that it's published by Trivago and that it has a solid number of downloads and reviews. Sticking to the official listing helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you get the latest updates and security fixes. When you're confident you found the correct app, tap Install. Keep your phone connected to a reliable internet connection while it downloads, and be patient as the Play Store handles the installation in the background. If your connection is slower, this may take a moment. When the install button changes to open, you're all set. Tap open to launch the app. From here, you can sign in if you already have an account, or simply start searching for hotels right away without signing in. Signing in is helpful if you want to sync your favorites across devices, but it's completely optional to begin browsing. Inside the app, you can compare hotel prices from multiple booking websites in one place. This lets you see a range of offers for the same property and pick the one that matches your budget or preferences. Use the search to set your destination and travel dates, then fine-tune your results with filters. Filters help you narrow down by price range, star rating, amenities, property type, and more, so you don't have to scroll through options that aren't a good fit. As you explore, open hotel pages to view photos, ratings, and reviews to get a clear sense of what to expect. If something catches your eye, save the hotel to your favorites or save the entire search so you can return to it later without starting over. When you're ready to book, Trivago will show deals from different travel providers and take you to the provider you choose to complete the reservation. Always review the final price, including taxes and fees, and check cancellation policies before you confirm. That's it. Your Trivago app is installed and ready to go. Enjoy exploring and finding the right stay for your next trip.